Alright, you're looking at a very quiet St. James, New York, here at the Long Island Railroad's Port Jefferson branch. Today is Wednesday, August 7th, 2024. We're going to see train 660 from Penn Station to Port Jeff pass by. VM30AC 519 leading 510 on the rear with HC3 bilevels. Train running about 4 minutes late tonight. The other 8-car dual mode set has the 501 on the east end, 500 on the west end, which is running tonight. It's train 42. There is a C3 cab car within that consist, probably due to the fact they're short-handed on C3 cars, that a cab car is running within that consist. But tonight, again, we're seeing the set. This set was out in Spionk last night, now out in Port Jeff tonight. Alright, we still got about a few more minutes to go before 660 arrives. Time now 6:23. Because it's just departing Smithtown now. Alright, time now 6:26. At this current time, 661 is at Stony Brook. Waiting for train 660 and 662. Following 660. And here comes train 660 now. And this is train 660 from Penn Station to Port Jefferson as it's just departed St. James. About 5 minutes late.